What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. And this time we're going to be looking at the Google Nest Hub Max, probably one of the best smart home devices that I've had to date. So let's check this thing out. So I know you may be saying, why would this be the best smart home device to date that you've had? Well, for a couple of reasons. The Google Nest Hub Max has a 10-inch display. It has a Google Nest Cam built right into it, which we'll talk about that in just a little while. And it has stereo speakers and it can connect to Bluetooth. So it basically has everything wrapped into one package. Video calls, front facing camera, you name it, it has it. So the price for this one is going to run you about $229 in the box. This is what you're going to get. You're going to get the actual device itself. You can see the Google Nest Hub Max with the 10-inch display, has the stereo speakers. You get the instructions, you get the power adapter, and that's pretty much it. It's a very simplistic type boxing. They don't give you a lot of fluff inside this box. You just get basically what you need and nothing else. And then when you inspect this just a little further, you actually see the sleek design of this thing. It stands up a little bit taller than the Google Nest Hub. You get the actual Google logo on the bottom. You get your volume rockers that are going to be on the back. They're always placed in the same exact spot. You get your mute toggle and you get your DC outlet, which supports 30 watts. Now, when you're looking at this device, you're going to see the 6.5 megapixel camera up top. You get the green light, which lets you know that you do have the Google Nest Hub camera on deck. Then you get the gray and white. That's all you get, the only two colors it comes in. Up top, you're going to have two far field mics. You have an ambient light equalizer that's going to dim your screen and brighten your screen depending on the light in your room. As I mentioned earlier, you get Wi-Fi connectivity as well as Bluetooth connectivity. And it is Android and iOS compatible, so it works with everything that you would have. So what about the setup of this device? Well, it's the normal setup. You go and you download the Google Home app. Once you actually get into that Google Home app, it basically walks you through everything. You're going to just tap set up a new device. Once you tap that, it's going to ask for your address and all that good stuff, which I'm not going to show you on camera. But basically, it's going to walk you through everything. And once it's connected, both devices, your phone, your tablet, whatever you're going to connect it with, are going to basically sync up. You're going to finish putting all your information in, and then you are going to be ready to go. And once you actually get this thing on, it's going to walk you through a series of events. Basically, it's going to just tell you to swipe down. You'll be able to see everything that you have in your house. I already have smart devices connected. When I swipe back up, swipe up again, if I can get this right, it's going to give you all of your toggles down here as far as your volume, and then your camera, your alarm, your settings, anything that you would need. Everything is going to be right there. And then if you want to know what's going on for your actual day, you tap on the screen anywhere, and then you can just start swiping over. So let's say you want to watch a YouTube video, and hey Google, show me Average Tech Guy on YouTube. I like this. Watch.
Here you go.
So my videos come up, and basically that's everything that you would need to do. You basically just talk to it. Now, it does have a stereo speaker, like I said, and I'm going to turn the volume all the way up. So turn your volume down just a little bit. I want you to hear what this is going to sound like. I'm just going to hit a random video, and we'll just
As time goes by. Spin it up.
So in this installation packet, you're gonna get some. So that's it. That's it. Sounds really good. So the stereo speakers are here, and I wish you could feel the table actually vibrating while this is going on. But the table vibrates. Stereo speakers sound really good. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because I listen to a lot of music while I'm cooking and doing the dishes and things around the kitchen area. So it's gonna get well used in my house. And if you ever want to go back home, just going to swipe from over here and then swipe from over here again and swipe away. It's going to take you back home. So my fingers are a little dry. So you're just going to swipe, swipe, swipe. It'll bring you back home. And that's pretty much it. Now, as far as actually accessing that camera, I told you that when this light is on, basically it's going to be viewing. It's going to be letting you know that the camera is ready. See, I just closed the app out on my phone. It's telling me that it's ended. But setting up this is really easy. You're just going to come into here. You're going to tap on the camera option, and then it's going to walk you through it. It's going to put a QR code up on the screen. You're going to scan the QR code. It connects to the app. You're good to go. Very simple. I've already done this. So I didn't video it. I'm sorry, but it's very simple. Take my word for it. If you have any questions, just leave them down below and I'll walk you through it step by step. No problems. But once you actually get this thing set up, you're going to have a camera application right here. You come into your home app, you tap on that, and basically there you go. Camera pops up, nice HD. This is a 6.5 megapixel camera. Like I said, you do get an HD picture, but that's me doing my video. But basically this is the camera view that you're going to be looking for, and that's pretty much it. So good camera, good quality. You're going to be able to drop in duo calls, video cameras. I'm going to be actually connecting a Nest doorbell very shortly. I'm going to put that video up and show you how these actually work together. I'll be doing a full video on that camera as well, but I'll show you how these actually work together and how they'll make your life a whole lot easier. Hey Google, go home. And that feature works as well. You just tell it to go back home and then you're good to go. No problems. Easy peasy, great setup, duo calls. You can monitor your cameras around the house, has a built-in camera into it. So for the $229 price point, you're actually getting a Google Hub as well as a Nest camera system built into it. So I don't think that's a bad thing. And you get stereo speakers, which sound amazing on this device. So I give it 2 thumbs up. Big shouts out to Google for creating this device. I know I'm late to the party, but I just got my hands on it and wanted to give you guys a take, or my take on this device and how I like it. And I do like it because I like all of these products. Anything smart home related, I'm pretty much down with, but especially the Google products because they just work so well and they sync so well to all the other devices. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Please be sure and give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.